Double trouble or double delight? Understanding double oven. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a kitchen-themed phrase, double oven. Whether you're cooking up language skills or actual meals, understanding such phrases can be both fun and useful. So, let's get started. Double oven refers to a kitchen appliance that features two separate ovens in one unit. It's like having two stoves, but they're combined into one piece. This term is often used in cooking, home design, and appliance discussions. Key point: it's literal but also has a metaphorical use. Literal use. In its literal sense, a double oven means exactly what it says, an appliance with two ovens. This is common in kitchens where a lot of baking or cooking is done. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, double oven can describe a situation or task that involves multiple processes or layers. For instance, saying, "This project is a double oven," suggests it's complex or multifaceted. Let's see how double oven is used in different contexts. 1. Literal. My new kitchen has a double oven, which is perfect for Thanksgiving. 2. Metaphorical. Organizing this event is like having a double oven. I need to manage two things at once. Understanding phrases like double oven is crucial in English. It helps in better comprehension of conversations and texts, enhancing your vocabulary, understanding cultural references, especially in countries where such appliances are common. I hope this video helped you understand double oven in both its literal and metaphorical senses. Remember, English is like a kitchen full of interesting phrases. Exploring them can be as exciting as trying new recipes. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.